A gaming headset shouldn't just help you hear what's going on in a game. Instead, it should immerse you in sound, making it feel more like you're actually in the game. That's what the Eksa E1000 gaming headset aims to do with incredible stereo surround sound. I got the chance to try out the headset to see just how well it sounds during actual gameplay. Eksa and the game My Time at Sandrak have partnered to create a limited edition version of the headset. The packaging features scenes from the game, and you also get special postcards and a commemorative ticket. The Eksa E1000 gaming headset is already in the included thick carrying pouch to keep the headset clean and protected. Visually, the E1000 is perhaps visually louder than it is in the audio. The colorful headband and earcup lining give it that youthful appeal that really matches well with an RGB LED setup. The color accents are available in green, gray, red, and blue, giving you a fair bit of choice when it comes to matching your battle station. Additionally, the outer part of the earcup has both a hexagonal, pulsating RGB light as well as RGB lighting across the Eksa brand name on the earcup. Audio quality is front and center with the Eksa E1000 gaming headset. It's equipped with a USB audio chip featuring 7.1 surround sound. Easily control the volume and mic with the switch on the cable. The cardioid microphone drastically reduces background noise to ensure everyone hears you and not what's going on outside of the game. The omnidirectional mic rotates up to 120 degrees. The lengthy 2.2 meters cable gives you ample room to sit back and relax while playing. The braided cable is also durable and flexible. The thick, soft ear pads and headband let you wear the headset for hours comfortably. I tested the Eksa E1000 gaming headset on my Windows PC while playing My Time at Sandrak through Steam. Connecting really was as easy as plugging in the USB cable. I immediately had sound, and the headset looked nice with the colorful lights. The fabric covering the cable does make it much easier to move around than standard cables. I honestly prefer braided cables as they seem to last longer and are easier to store without worrying about kinks. I also noticed that even after wearing these for a few hours, the breathable pads ensured my ears stayed cool. After all, no one likes sweating around their headset. Overall, the Eksa E1000 gaming headset is an impressive headset with immersive sound that makes games, music, movies, and more come to life. It's easy to forget anything else is going on when you're listening through this headset. Plus, it looks great with the RGB lights when gaming at night. Well, that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all next time.